which channel to double down on to promote your next webinar? Where most of your registrants are coming from? Or which source is sending you your most valuable attendees? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use UTM parameters to track where your webinar registrations come from in HubSpot. First, let's find out what a UTM is. UTM is a short snippet you add to the end of any URL. They tell your analytics tools where a visitor came from, how they got there, and which campaign sent them. The easiest way to create a properly formatted UTM link is with Google's Campaign URL Builder. It's a free tool you can access with this link right here. Paste your webinar registration page URL under website URL field. I'm going to skip the campaign ID. For the campaign source, I'm going to enter LinkedIn because I want to build a UTM parameter for my LinkedIn promotion. Then for campaign medium, I'm going to add organic social. And for campaign name, I'm going to add webinar Q2 2026. The tool generates your complete tagged URL at the bottom right here. You can copy and paste it wherever you are promoting your webinar. Remember, you'll want a separate UTM link for every channel you are promoting your webinar through. One for LinkedIn, one for a newsletter, one for email outreach, and for any other channels you have. Now let's see how HubSpot captures UTM data. HubSpot automatically captures UTM parameters when someone fills out a form on your registration page, as long as your HubSpot tracking code is installed on that page. When a visitor lands on your page through a UTM tagged link, HubSpot reads the UTM values from the URL and stores them on the contact record. This is how the original traffic source and original traffic source drill down properties get populated. There is actually a problem with these properties. You can't really rely on it to check where your webinar registrations are coming from. Original traffic source drill down one property provides context related to a contact source, such as the name of the social media site or the name of a marketing campaign. This value is actually interpreted by HubSpot's algorithm, not a direct read of your UTM tag. HubSpot maps your UTM data into its own source categories like organic social, paid social, direct traffic, etc., which means you lose the exact UTM value you used. For example, HubSpot might see UTM source as LinkedIn and UTM medium is organic, and log the source as organic social plus drill down LinkedIn, which is useful, but it's HubSpot's interpretation, not your raw UTM, because you may have different links for different LinkedIn accounts within your colleagues, right? And you want to see which one brings you more leads or which one has more connections within your ICP. And all these organic posts are going to be shown as LinkedIn organic social like this on HubSpot. So it's not really useful. There is a second, more serious problem. If a contact uses an ad blocker, HubSpot's tracking code might be entirely blocked, which means no source data is captured. You can, of course, store UTM parameters as hidden fields in the form itself, so even if the tracking script is blocked, the UTM values get submitted directly with the form field. But today I want to show you more reliable and easy way to track where your webinar registrations are coming from, and it's going to be through Contrast's original source tracking. Contrast is actually the only webinar platform that does original source tracking. Let me show you how to use it. Step 1 is to build your UTM links inside Contrast. So instead of building UTM links in a separate tool, Contrast has a built-in UTM builder for every webinar. Open your webinar in Contrast, then click the UTM builder. On the right side, you have the new link button. Click on it and start filling out the source, medium, and campaign. So the source is LinkedIn, medium is organic, and the campaign is webinar Q2 2026. Let's click save. You can see that Contrast automatically generates a complete tagged registration URL. You just need to copy and share it in your LinkedIn posts. And you can create separate ones for email, newsletter, and whatever channel you are using to promote your webinars. You can create as many UTM links as you want. All your UTM links for that webinar are saved in one place and can be copied, reused, or deleted at any time. Now, step 2 is to check your registrant sources inside Contrast. Contrast doesn't just build UTM links, it actually reads them back and shows you per registrant exactly which link they used to register. And in your webinar analytics inside Contrast, you can see a breakdown of registrants by UTM sources, so you know at a glance how many people came from which sources. So if you click at registrations, Here you can see the UTM sources and you can see how many people registered from each source. Now, if you want to see this data inside HubSpot, because maybe you want to act on this data, maybe you want to create different lists with different attendees, let's say people who came from LinkedIn or from your newsletter or whatever you want to do with those leads, you can actually create a list with all the registrations right from Contrast. So Contrast is going to create a list inside HubSpot. Look how easy it is. You just select what list you want. So for this case, I want a list with my registrations. And you click create. That's it. Contrast is going to create a list with all your registrations inside HubSpot. Now let's go to HubSpot and see how it looks. So I'm going to go to CRM, segments, search for the name of your webinar because Contrast uses that to create the list. It was the AEO one here. Contrast registrants. Open the list. Scroll all the way to the right and you can see the Contrast original source property here. If you don't have this column, you can click Edit Columns right here on top. Search for that specific property, Contrast original source. Select it and click Apply. And you will have that column. This is actually more reliable than HubSpot's own tracking for two reasons. First, because it's the actual UTM value, not an interpretation from HubSpot. Second, it's not blocked by ad blockers because Contrast captures the UTM data at registration time, not through a browser tracking cookie. That's why it works even when a registrant's browser would normally block HubSpot's tracking script. And that's how you get a full picture of where your registrants come from. UTM parameters tell you the story, and Contrast makes sure that data is actually accurate, not a best guess from HubSpot. If you want to try it, the link is below. See you in the next one.